Right. Thank you, Pivy. I appreciate it, mate. You sent that GPU out. GPU. Remind me. Can you remind me, Killer? Sorry, Matt, I'm confused. Yeah, just remind me what that's about, mate. Normally, Black Shinny, that would be safe read if everything else is okay. Okay, I think this is just a HDMI issue. It says, pretty sure it's a HDMI port. Managed to get it working a couple of times, but definitely an issue. Console probably hasn't even done 250 hours, but it's been standing upright for about 2 years. Never opened. Don't think the plates have ever been off it. Enjoy. Okay, fair enough. The NVIDIA GPU you had in the shop. Send me the order number on that, mate. I'm pretty sure I did. Because that was months ago, wasn't it? I sold a GPU months ago. Send me the order number on the store, mate, if you can, and I'll check and see if I can find tracking. Or just let me know the order number here. If not, just drop me a message on the store and I can find it from there. Oh, over the weekend. I'm confused. I'm literally confused. I don't know. Send me a message on the store, mate, if you can. Right, why is that account still here? $2082. Hang on a second. Let me check on it real quick. Oh, you've bought a right. Sorry, no, I haven't. Not yet, mate. That'll be sent out tomorrow. I've only just managed to get back online today, so I haven't been able to do any orders at all today. Right, now I'm with you. That's an order that's been placed over the weekend. Right, okay. Yeah. Mate, I'll fucking shit myself then. I thought there was something missing. No, that GPU is right. Hang on a second. It is right. There. Yeah, so I actually thought something was missing because I did sell a GPU a couple of weeks ago. Genuinely shit myself then, I'll be honest. Not going to lie. Yeah, I'm not sure if I'll get to that Steam Deck tonight, to be honest with you. It might be tomorrow. I mean, obviously I know that it's got to be, that you want it done in time for the 20th, so yeah. Yeah, so it might be tomorrow. Oh yeah, that's definitely the HDMI port that's gone. Let's see, it's split in the middle. It started to come apart. Shits himself on live stream. No, I did, because I sold a GPU a couple of months ago, and I genuinely just thought, hang on a minute, that's obviously been sent like months and months ago. So I genuinely fucking shit myself and thought, hang on a minute, don't tell me I've got another fucking parcel missing. Because Royal Mail keep losing parcels. But yeah, I haven't been able to get online all weekend. It fucking sucks. So I've basically been stuck all weekend. I haven't been able to do any orders. I haven't been able to reply to any emails. I haven't been able to do anything at all other than sit there and twiddle my thumbs because of Windows Update fucking my PC up. And Windows Update, this PC is the only PC that I've got access to the store through. So I tried to log into the store on the MacBook and it wanted two-factor authentication. But then when I tried to log into my email, that wanted two-factor authentication because it's not an authorized computer. So yeah. Don't be working on Christmas Day. Oh, definitely not, mate. No, I'm stopping. See, I was supposed to be stopping tonight. This was supposed to be my last night. Supposed to get everything done that I can get done. Get it all sorted, get everybody's jobs done, and then get them posted out over the next couple of days. Because I've been offline all weekend, I haven't been able to do anything. So I've basically got to work an extra 2 days because of it. So I've got to work till the 21st instead of the 19th like I planned to, which is really annoying. Need my IT services. No, it wasn't that I couldn't fix a computer. I was trying to get a copy of Windows 10 so I could fix the master boot record. Fucking Windows Update, absolute pile of shit. I'm sure it does it deliberately so you upgrade to Windows 11. That ain't happening. The thing is, I couldn't even format it and reinstall it either. Because if I did that, then I wouldn't have access to anything. So... Oh, I know it's you, Tony, yeah. Where's the Christmas raffle? What Christmas raffle? I can't do any raffles, mate. I've got a mate who's been doing raffles, and she's now being investigated by a bank. Yeah, but the thing is, I like to actually have updates run when I want them to run, rather than having them completely disabled. So I told Windows to update, and it broke the master boot record. It wouldn't boot afterwards. Like, I actually clicked update and shut down, and then when I went to turn it back on Friday, just nope. So I haven't been able to do anything since Friday. No emails, nothing. Couldn't get into my email, couldn't get into anything. So, well, it is what it is. Hello, Sarah. You need a TPM chip for Windows 11. What do you mean? You don't technically need a TPM chip. There are ways around it. There are ways around TPM. Because your PC is shit. Bite me. Oh, I'll have a nose at that, Carlos. Yeah, no worries, Will. Take it easy, mate. I've got to get these HDMI repairs done first before I can get tucked into something a bit more complex. Just to get them done so I can get them out of the way. Is a PC brick? No, I've sorted it now. I just had to get a working copy of Windows 10. Mine's done through 2FA apps normally, but not for the store and email. No worries, buddy. No worries. Downloaded too much porn. I wish. Just a little dry spot. I can imagine, mate. How many screws? Way too many. Do you have Nintendo Switch chargers? Not original. Only third party. I can't remember what they're on the store for, mate, to be honest with you. Support ends for Windows 10 in 2025. Yeah, at that point I'll be moved fully over to Linux. I'm not going to Windows 11, it's shit. I refuse. Point blank refuse to use Windows 11. It's absolutely wank. Worst operating system I've ever made. So, unless Windows 12 is any better, I'll be moving over to Linux. At that point. Yeah, so I've got third-party chargers, Beticus, but not original, unfortunately. Right. That's to one side. Maybe she's telling lies about you. Who said she's lying? Who said she's lying? Oh, bollocks. I just dropped my ring light out to my microscope. Oh yeah, Windows 11 to me is worse than Windows 8, yeah, for definite. Cannot stand it at all. I could actually put up with Windows 8. I can't put up with Windows 11. Not at all. No, Windows 7 was better than XP. In my opinion. Right, any of these pins bent? Yeah. You see that? I don't need to test any more pins. That one's damaged. Just one pin. That's all I've got to test. And I know that it's faulty. For some reason I haven't got a nozzle on the end of my flux. I also always forget to remove that foam. Right, let me just grab a replacement port. Job done, I think. Sort of. Just need to touch those pins up just a little bit. I need to put a nozzle on the end of that. Ah, damn it. I'll fuck that one up, ain't I? Just melted the shit out of the fucking port with the soldering iron. Damn it. Oh, I messed that one up. Didn't exactly go to plan. Never mind. I'll grab another port. It's a good job they don't cost much, isn't it? I'm out of practice. I ain't done nothing for 3 days. I've lost what it takes to become a technician. Could be a CEX job. Well, it's not very often I mess up on a port. Didn't actually melt that badly, but it went on the pins, which is a no-no, because then you're never going to be able to get the solders to stick properly. So just put it off and start it freaking again. It's easier than sitting there trying to clean that plastic off. Good, thanks, MacGyver. How are you, mate? Vivek, thank you. Hello from Italy, welcome. Alright, let's try it now. See if it's any better. Seems to be. Seems to be. Perfect. Yep, no pins loose there. I'll take that. I will take that, sir. Six-month membership on what, mate? Why will Cody go crazy, sir? Actually, I'd enjoy the peace and quiet if you disabled my internet for 3 days. That looks a lot better now it's cleaned anyway. Looks like it's soldered a lot better now that it's been cleaned. I'll take that. With no internet. Oh yeah, Cody would go mental. Cody would go mental. Wouldn't bother me. I'd be grateful for the peace. If you want my honest answer, I'd be grateful for the peace and quiet. I don't like. This is what I try to explain to people all the time. That you know when people like are trying to get in contact with me and I don't reply. I'm like, dude, I am not one of these people that are online 24 hours a day. I don't need to pick my phone up. I don't need to pick up a laptop or whatever. I will happily sit there and just sit in a dark room. Like, genuinely, I'll happily sit there and just sit in a dark room all night. Doesn't bother me in the slightest. Give me a fishing rod, I'll sit there for 2-3 days. I'll sit there for 2-3 days. I'll not talk to anyone, and I'll just chill. Just chill with my thoughts. Happy to. That's the problem with people these days, is they're too reliant on technology. Like, they can't function without it. Like, I'd rather just sit there with my own thoughts. Oh, I'd love to live in the countryside. I really would. I'd love to live in the countryside. Right, this don't need servicing. I don't think the customer's wrong when he says it's barely had any use. Like, this console does not need to be serviced. I don't need to strip this down and get rid of any clumps of dust, because there is none. Or are none, rather. Funny thing is, before we moved here, me and Sarah was actually going to go and just move somewhere into the countryside if we could. We considered it. There we go. If I ever become rich, that's where I'd buy a house. In the countryside. Genuinely. That's where I'd buy a house. I'll just live out in the middle of nowhere. No neighbours, no one to bother you. No problem. No problem. So if anyone wants to donate like $500,000 so I can move out into the countryside, feel free. Donate me $500,000 and I'll move out into the countryside. Can't play video games when you have no internet. I don't anyway though, that's the thing. Like, I don't play consoles, not really. Alright. Yes, I'll stop removing this. Because there's no need to. No need to remove this antenna from here. Right. I've got flux in the port or flux in my... either flux in the port or flux in my tester. There we go. Yep. That'll do. I need to clean the port, but... There we go. £1 a month and you'll be in a farm before you know it. Yeah, tell me about it. No, if only that were possible, mate. If only that were possible. Thing is, I haven't got a platform of 100,000 people, because even though there's nearly 100,000 subscribers, they're not all active, so... Like some of them will watch like 1 in 10 videos or 1 in 20 videos or whatever. So those 100,000 people, you can drop that down to like what, 15,000 tops. Can I have a farm for Christmas? Yeah, why not? Data lines are not flashing. Probably got HDCP disabled. Data lines only flash if HDCP is detected. I will test it though, in a minute. Actually, let's test it now, just in case. Yeah, that port definitely needs cleaning. Oh no, actually, no, it's come on. Never mind. Just a bit of a delay on the TV. Bit of a delay on the TV, but she's working. She's working. I think it's my tester that's got the flux inside the port. But I will clean it anyway. Good evening, WC. Brishy boy, welcome. John, how's it going, mate? There we go, quick £60, not bad. Yeah, have a good night, Sarah. Love ya. I have to say that to her because she comes and kicks me otherwise. Enjoy your sleep, dear, while I sit here working. She'll come and hit me otherwise if I don't tell her good night. Send help. Love you too sometimes. You lie. She is the better half for sure. Never. Never. Never say never. You lie. Never. You see, I never thought that I could walk through fire. And I never thought that I could take the burn. What do you mean, John? Hey, guess what? this thing's gonna die, and I have no way of charging it at the minute. I need to fix it because I've broke the wires. Yeah, it does, Alice, yeah. It does definitely help the algorithm, mate. Thank you. Yeah, Travis is here, that's why she's going to bed. So yeah, in case anyone didn't notice, I didn't take the antenna off. And now it goes back together all completely neat. I just left it hanging and just held the plate in place. Leaves it all nice and neat when you put it back. I've been doing that for a few days now, just leaving it as it is, with the antennas intact. Makes for a cleaner job. Hello, darling, got any serious clamp screws? I have indeed. Thank you, mate. Appreciate that. Yes, I have got some Series X clamp screws, mate. Yeah, quite a few. I can list some on the store for you, if they're not on there. Don't even know what they sell for, to be honest with you. If I'm being completely honest. You see, I never thought that I could walk through fire. And I never thought that I could take a burn. And I never had the strength to take you higher. Until we reach the point of no return. And there's just no turning back. When my heart's under attack, gonna give everything I had. It's my destiny. And I will never say never. Are you in pain? Definitely not lovely singing, but I don't give a fuck. I don't care. I was lulled to sleep. Yep, definitely wanker's cramp, mate. Found a sucker thingy, yeah. Seems like a snowman melting in summer. Eat a dick, you little bitch. No need for that, was there? Mean. Meanie, I'm telling my mom. You bastard. It's going. It's going. It's gonna die. Can we get all the screws back in before it dies? No, it won't even get through this one. Told ya. Fucking knew it. Knew it. I agree, Arturia. I agree. Yeah, I don't know how my mum ever coped with me, to be honest. Not gonna lie. Don't know how she ever coped with me when I was a kid. Job done. Well, the cameras fell down, but it works. Stay. There we go. Yeah. Right, you'll get a full test tomorrow. Oh, who was sucked in a good way. Yeah, just drop me a message, Black, about the SSD, and I'll reply to you in the morning, mate. I agree. Sony are probably laughing in screws right now. But never mind. Right, there's one. There's one job done.